Just accidentally, I thought there were just bits of soil on the spider web, but I knocked the web looker and look at them all. Tiny little baby spiders. So cute.
The spider web?
Huh? Yeah, I knocked it. It was up there, and I just picked up that plant pot. And then they all fell down here, but look how many there is. Oh, bloody hell, they're on my hair. There's two there, look, on Daddy's head. Maybe have more on me, to be honest.
Is this one?
Yeah, but look at...
My dad, help! The one falling
Where?
on me. Down there.
Where's that girl?
Down my cliff.
Look at right there. What? They went down there.
Mom, spiders on my...
Loads in there. They're all meshing in and across there. Now they're onto me broomstick. They're going all the way up.
Mommy, just is out, Dad.
All the way up to that. And they're not going any higher than there. So that they mustn't want to go any higher than that. So for now it looks like they've invaded me broomstick. And they're just chilling. I mean, these are only a millimetre long.